Now we are going to see the applications of double integration for finding area of any shape. So suppose you have any area, okay, having arbitrary shape. So suppose area is like this, okay. So if you have area like this, suppose that the area is A, okay. So how to find its area of this region A? So area of this region A we can find. See, it is not a standard curve. If it could be a what square or rectangle, we can find the area. If it is square, it is simply length square is your area. Okay. So if it is rectangle, it is a into b. If it is circle, it is a pi r square. So likewise, what we have, if it is a standard curve, we can find its area. Okay, area of that region inside that standard curve. But what we have what regular non-standard curves. Okay, non-standard region. So if it is a non-standard region, if you find area, then we can find that area with the help of double integration concept. So if what you want area of this region A, then simply yes, you integrate what dx dy. Integrand is 1. Okay, so 1 dx dy, 1 dx dy over the region A. So if you want find the limit of this region, okay, pertaining to this region, okay, if you got a limit here, yes, the problem is solved. Okay, so this is nothing but what area of A of the region A. So area of the region is double integration over the region A dx dy. Area of the region R is double integration over the region R dx dy. Area of the region, this region, is double integration over this region. Okay, just you are required to take a strip parallel to either x-axis or parallel to y-axis. Move the strip what vertically, horizontally, depending on what we have, and then we get limits, and or integrate within the limit we get the answer. So now let us go for the first problem. Suppose the first problem is finding area. So let us see the first problem like this. Okay, suppose the first problem is find the area of the circle x square plus y square equal to a square. See, if you find area of this circle, note that it is standard circle. If you want, if you find area of this part only, and if you multiply it by 4, yes, we get required area. Therefore, I can write the required area is equal to double integration over this region R, okay, dx dy. Okay, now let us take a strip parallel to which axis? Okay, x axis, y axis. It is your choice. I have taken here strip parallel to which axis? Y axis. Okay, before that, let us what find point of intersection of circle with x axis and y axis. If you put x equal to 0, y will be plus or minus a. So if x is 0, y square is a square, y square equal to a square gives you y equal to plus a, y equal to minus a. So y equal to plus a is here, y equal to minus a is here. If you put y is equal to 0, we get x equal to plus a, x equal to minus a. So this point is a0, this point is 0a, this point is minus a0, this point is what 0 minus a. So we have all these point of intersections. Now this strip moves from what left to right, and left position is y axis. Equation of y axis is what? Equation of y axis is x equal to 0. So strip moves from what? X equal to 0. Strip moves from x equal to 0. So this strip moves from x equal to 0 to x is equal to a. While its motion, okay, while its motion, once we got limit of x, limit of y is remaining. While its motion, lower end is on x axis. Equation of x axis is y is equal to 0. Okay, so lower end is on y equal to 0, whereas upper end is on circle. What is the equation of circle? X square plus y square is equal to a square, and that is nothing but r square equal to a square. Okay, so x square plus y square equal to a square. So what we get? We get value of y square equal to a square minus x square, and that gives you y equal to plus or minus. Minus I am neglecting, the reason I will tell you later on. So what y depends on, yes, a square minus x square. So y depends on plus is under root of a square minus x square. Why I have not selected negative values? Because negative values of y will be below what? Y axis, below x axis. So this is what negative circle, and that is positive circle as far as y is concerned. Okay, so this is limit of the double integration over the region R. Okay, so that is limit of R. So put 0 to a and 0 to plus under root of a square minus x square, integrate, you get what? The answer here. Okay, and answer will be like this. So you can check it out. So if you put the formula Yes, you require the formula of what? X by 2 under root of a square minus x square plus a square by 2 sin inverse of x by. If you put upper lower limit, yes, 4 will get cancelled, you get pi a square. And you know that area of circle is pi square, pi r square, pi square, meaning is same.